Hey everyone, welcome to a new devlog of LiQWYD. It's been a while since our last devlog and I would like to give you all an update on what's been going on with LiQWYD and what are the future plans for the game. So after we released the first version about more than a month ago, I went on my honeymoon to France and Switzerland. It was a beautiful trip. You will be seeing some clips from that trip in the upcoming devlogs. And after I got back from my honeymoon, I have been working on some new updates to the game and adding new characters. So let's check them out and jump into the devlog. Good morning everyone, it's Monday morning and today I will be resuming work on LiQWYD since I got back from my vacation. I wanted to implement a feature that will allow players to jump ahead and start the game from a much more challenging position, because I thought seasoned players might be bored from restarting the game from the very beginning. So I wanted to develop some kind of a feature that allows them to skip ahead and start the game from a much more challenging position. So I'm going to design this feature today and also design the UI and just think through how this is going to work. So let's get started with that. So I've been designing the jumpstart feature and I think I have a pretty good idea about how I want to implement this. So the players will need a minimum score of 100 to unlock the jumpstart feature. And once they start a round, they will see two options. One is to jumpstart to 100 points and the other one will be to jumpstart from 250 points. But the second option will only be available if they have a minimum high score of 250. And jumpstarting to 100 will cost 50 coins and jumpstarting to 250 will cost 100 coins. And I'm still thinking if I should add an option to jumpstart by watching an ad. So that's something I've still not decided on. And the UI is pretty simple. You will have a pop-up before every round that gives you these two options. So I think I'm pretty happy with how this is designed, and I will start the implementation from tomorrow. It's Tuesday morning and today I will be getting started on the UI for the jumpstart feature. So let's take a quick look at the UI for the jumpstart feature. So when you start a round, you will be presented with this pop-up and you get two options. As you can see, the 250 option is locked for me because my high score is less than 250. But I can jumpstart to 100 points using coins or by watching an ad. These buttons don't work yet. I need to add that functionality in, which made me realize I need to implement a fake animation that fast scrolls the user from the start of the game to the jumpstart point. And that probably has to be implemented entirely in code. So I need to figure out how to do that as well. Good morning everyone, it's Wednesday morning and today I will be starting work on the scroll animation that mimics the user is jump starting from the start of the game till the jump start point. And I also need to make a list of all the level tuning parameters that needs to be updated after the jump start animation completes to make it look like as if the game is starting from a 100 point score or a 250 point score mark. So yeah, let's get started with this. I've just been deciding on how to implement the scroll animation that mimics the user jump starting from the start of the game to the jump start location. And I think I have a pretty good idea how I want to code this. And I also made a list of all the parameters that I need to update once the animation completes so that it looks like the game is starting from the 100 point or the 250 point mark. So the next task is to get coding. It's Thursday morning and today I will be continuing work on the jumpstart animation. So let's take a quick look at the jumpstart animation I have so far. So once the user chooses to jumpstart, we play a quick scroll animation, all the broken pipes fix themselves, and then we pause the game and now the user can tap to start from the jumpstart location. I'm very happy with how the animation has turned out. It feels really smooth and the pipes fixing themselves also looks really cool. Also, I think this feature is a cool addition to the game so that more experienced players can jumpstart from a difficult point and don't have to be bored by playing on the less challenging speeds. So the next task is to playtest this feature and make sure there are no bugs, and if there are any, fix them. And also to add new characters to the game. It's Friday evening and I've just been playtesting the jumpstart feature the whole day, fixed a couple of bugs I found and also polished the animation a bit. I've also added a few new characters to the game, including a PewDiePie character. So let me show those to you right now. So these are the 5 characters I will be releasing with this update, and by the time this devlog is out, the update will be live on the Google Play Store, so you guys can go and download the update and get the features and the new characters. So with that we conclude this devlog. Make sure you download the update on the Google Play Store. It should be live by the time this devlog is released. And as for the future of LiQWYD goes, I do intend to release a few more updates with new characters and possibly new features. And after that I will be transitioning to my next game, which I'm not yet sure what it's going to be. So yeah, thank you so much for playing LiQWYD. It means a lot to me. And if you have any feedback, do leave it in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel for further devlogs. As always, have a wonderful rest of the week and thanks for watching.